So I thought I was done making videos today, and Dewalt was like, nah, we're going to send out a press release at 3:30 p.m. But what do we got? Listen, this is a much anticipated tool that I have that I'm going to show you today. I'm a little confused by it, though. Let's just get into it. All right, before I show you what we got, let's take a look at Dewalt's framing nailer. Now, this has been out for years and years and many, many years. And, you know, when this thing first came out, the thing was real nice. Like, I mean, it was groundbreaking, really. And, you know, after a certain amount of time, other nailers started hitting the market from other brands, and this thing was just not good anymore. The flywheel on this thing, it was like, I know that's annoying, but that's what you heard every time you fired this thing. It was a nightmare. So I got a press release today for the new gens. And a lot of people have been asking for the new gen because this one here is just a dinosaur. It's not real nice like. All right, so here's what we got. I'm not sure if they're available yet. If they are, I'll put a link in the description below, but I will also put this full press release on the toolreviewzone.com website. Link in the description below if you want to read this. But Dewalt releases two brand new framing nailers. You got a 20 volt max XR 21 degree plastic collated framing nailer and a 30 degree nailer. Help minimize downtime between shots with an innovative flywheel. Now that's right out of the gate. I was going to hold off on a little bit. I'm not sure what's really going on. So I'm just going to put this out here. The flywheel we were just talking about, that was the one downside about the Dewalt framing nailer. Is this any better? Now, I haven't used this. I don't know, but they're saying that they're keeping the flywheel design, but it should be improved. So let's continue reading. Install up to 530 square footage of subflooring per charge and complete up to 100 foot of wall framing per charge. And I'm not really sure if they're talking about with like a 2.0 bat ray. I'm guessing you're going to get way more if you get like a 5.0 bat ray. I'm not really sure. Let's see. So it says each delivering powerful performance in a wide range of applications designed with an innovative flywheel. The nailers help minimize downtime between shots and allowing the tool to stay active after the trigger is released. I'm hoping this flywheel is much better than the previous gen flywheel. Productivity is the vital... I messed that up. On the job site, it is vital to have productivity. And the new Dewalt nailers will keep pros working at optimal efficiency with the new flywheel that eliminates ramp-up time between shots in rapid sequential mode, said Tyler Knight, Senior Product Manager, Stanley Black & Decker. The nails are lightweight at just 8.65 pounds. Now, I believe the previous gen was like 90 pounds. I could be wrong, but they're saying these are much lighter, which I'm glad, because the other one, these ones look a little bulky still. Like they're keeping that Dewalt look going on. Let's just keep going. So tool only and provide convenience and mobility with cordless without the hassles of compressor and hose hookup. Now, some people still like their hoses and their cords. I don't. I didn't say cord. Hoses and compressors. They like them. I don't. I don't want to deal with them anymore. They're loud. They're not, I know there's quiet. I just don't want to deal with them anymore. You do you. I'm doing me. I don't like them. I will never go back to a nailer with the hose. Ever. So they're saying the mobility of cordless without the hassles of compressor and hose hookup that extend setup and breakdown time, which is true. You don't want to be carrying that stuff around with you all the time. The nailer allows pros to install up to 530 feet of subflooring. We already talked about this. It says for enhanced productivity, which is vital for your work sites. Each model also dries nails up to 72% more subflush than previous nailer model. That thing, like I'm telling you, when it first came out, I was like, wow, this thing's pretty freaking awesome. But your nails will be sticking out every once in a while. After you use it for so long, then you use other brand nailers, and then you go back to the Dewalts, you're like, I hate this thing. I hate it, right? So I'm glad it's sinking nails. I mean, that's a plus. The next gen nailers are compatible with newly introduced optional extended magazines. And right here are the model numbers. Again, this will all be on the toolreviewzone.com website. Sold separately, and all nailers are like that. They're constructed of high-strength magnesium and hold 2 strips of nails. Users can align and drive up to 3.5-inch nails at aggressive angles with the redesigned nose that is engineered for toe nailing applications. With filled serviceable springs and a driver blade, the nails also require less delay inducing maintenance. I'm not going to read all this. It's so much to read. My head hurts. You know, I was like, oh, I'm done for today. You know, I ain't going to make no videos. And but boom, Dewalt's like 3:30. Let's drop a new tool announcement. Let's just do that. But with some investigative journalism, I found the price, and they are available. I will leave a link in the description below from only one place that I'm seeing. This is the model number DCN920P1. This is 21 degree. You're looking at $450. That one penny ain't fooling me, Dewalt. Looking at $450 for the 21 degree. Is this just me, or does that one penny really bother people? Like, just make it $450. Just make it $450. You're gonna add the taxes to it anyway. It's gonna change the price anyway. But this is everybody. It's not just Dewalt. It's everybody. Stop with the one penny. I know it makes it look cheaper. Now this is $460. My math is off. That one penny confused me. $460 for this. And then the 30 degree, that's also $459.99. It's that one penny. It screwed me up. It's $460. Now I know why they do it. So $459. No, $460 for either one of those. And that's a tool only. But I got the flywheel. Now, let me show you a couple more pictures right here. This is the 30. They're both going to look the same. But, I mean, it looks a lot like the regular. I mean, the other one was really bulky. This looks a little bulky. It looks bulky. Complete up to 100 foot of wall framing. But I don't know what bat rate they're using. I'm guessing if you use like are they using? I don't know what it doesn't say. I don't know. All I'm saying is, this looks a lot like the previous nailer. The other one was pretty bulky, and this one got the flywheel. I'm hoping it's better. Pray that it's better. But there you go. So Dewalt comes out with two brand new framing nailers for $459.99. $460. Curious to know what you think about these. You know, like I said, they needed it. They needed an upgrade. Is this the upgrade that we're waiting for? I guess time will tell. Right? No reviews because it's new. You heard it here first. Back with more videos soon.